I love Italy so much. No matter how many days that I die, I will never forget